Hey, in the last video we installed guest additions. So I restarted, by the way. I suppose you should too, just to make sure you're getting some of the benefits that you see here. Again, you can do that from here and restart. Okay, check this out. Host key that we saw in other videos, control, or at least that's what it says here. Yours maybe says different. Do what it says there. So control and F for full screen, which by the way we could see if we go, where is it? Ah, there it is. Let's do control F, and we get a nice reminder that we can use control F again to switch back. But isn't that cool? It just took over the whole screen, just like this was installed for realsies, on its own little box server. Okay, so let's go back to the terminal. And in the last video we looked at, I think, using yum. So let's try again, yet another update manager. Yum install httpd. Fail. Which reminds me of my favorite joke. Have a look. Nerd humor is so funny. Okay, so just notice that when I said, hey, yum, install the httpd package, it said you don't have permission. So I use sudo. Remember, that's super user do. Sudo yum install httpd. And okay. Say yes. That's it. We installed the web server. That's Apache Web Server. There are a couple of others. Nginx, N-G-N-X is how it's spelled if you want to Google that. But I would roll with Apache until you ever tire of it, and then explore after you've sort of mastered this environment. Okay. So we installed software to run a web server, but the web server is not running. So we need to use something called system control to start httpd dot service. If I can spell it, service. I don't have, I'm going to say cancel here. I did that on purpose. I don't have permission to do that. So that's almost like this, right? What? Make it yourself kind of a, it just gets funnier, right? So let's sudo systemctl start httpd service. No problem. By the way, it didn't, after you use sudo, you enter your password, it'll store that. I can't remember what the default is, like 5 minutes or something like that before it'll ask you to do it again. All right, so right now the web server is running. Yay! In fact, let's verify that it's running by opening Firefox on this computer. That's in CentOS, okay? And we should be able to just type local, if I could spell it, localhost, and I can't spell it. If I hit enter, it should be just about enough. Yeah, this testing 1, 2, 3, that's Apache Web Server. Okay. I'm running Pandora in the background, back on the Windows machine. At any rate, I just want you to know that little pop-up window, that's not inside of CentOS. Okay, so the web server is running. Obviously, I don't have a page yet. And localhost is how any computer just refers back to itself. So instead of having to type, http www. I just localhost in a browser means look at the web page on whatever computer you're on. Okay, so that's what we see there. But here's the thing: if I turn the computer off, the server, and then start it back up again, it's going to be off. And we want it, because it's a server, that if the server's turned on, then it should always be serving out the web page. So let's, in order to do that, we have to, again, use system control, and we need to enable HTTPD service, but it's not going to work, right? Because I haven't used sudo. I could enter my password here, and then it would work, but I'm trying to annoy you. I think I'm succeeding, right? By repeating this error that many tasks that we do need administrative permission, and so we just got to get in the habit of writing sudo. And after this video, I won't keep doing this annoying thing, but I want to keep repeating it until it's just stuck in your head. Sudo system control enable HTTPD service, and now we're done. And I can shut this down, and when I restart it, the web server will be running automatically. So speaking of which, I am going to shut this down and restart it now. To be continued, right?